Hello everyone, welcome to the course on antenna and wave propagation. In my last session I was discussing the concept of maximum visible frequency, in which I have defined the definition of maximum visible frequency, the quantitative expression of maximum visible frequency, as well as I have also find out the expression for the thin ionospheric layer and the flat earth surface. Okay, in this particular session we will discuss few numericals based on the maximum visible frequency. Okay, so here is the first numerical, that is has 0 1. Okay, so in this particular numerical, an HF means high frequency radio communication is to be established between 2 points on earth surface. Okay, high frequency radio communication is to be established between 2 points on earth surface. Okay, the points are at a distance of 2600 kilometer. Okay, the height of the ionospheric layer is 200 kilometer and critical frequency is 4 megahertz. Find MUF. Okay, so read the question carefully and jot down the data which are already given in the question. So what are the data which are given? The distance is given 2600 kilometer. Okay, here. Okay, 2600 kilometer is the distance in between the 2 points on the earth surface. So I have noted down here d is equal to 2600 kilometer. Fine. And the height of the ionospheric layer, which is given here, 200 kilometer from the earth surface. So h is given 200 kilometer. Critical frequency is 4 megahertz, which is also given. So I have written here 4 into 10 to the power 6 hertz. Megahertz means 4 into 10 to the power 6 hertz. Okay, fine. And you are asked to calculate MUF, that is maximum visible frequency. Okay, so this is a very simple straightforward formula putting question. We know that from the definition of maximum visible frequency, that it is equal to fc into root over 1 plus d upon 2h whole square, where d is the distance between 2 points on the earth surface and h is the ionospheric height. So in my last session I had derived this particular expression, okay, for thin ionospheric layer and the flat earth surface, right? So you have to use this particular formula, and basically with the help of this formula you can find out easily the value of the maximum usable frequency. So I've just put down the values of the respective parameter which are given in the question, that is fc, which is 4 megahertz, that means 4 into 10 to the power 6 hertz, root over square root of 1 plus d, in place of d substitute 2600 kilometer and divided by 2h, 2 into 200 kilometer. So since kilometer are the two same units, so it will cancel out, so we are least bother about the kilometer unit to convert it in the meter. Got it? Because this is also in kilometer and this is also in kilometer. So kilometer will cancel out, so there will be no unit, so we don't need to convert it in another unit. Okay, rather we have directly put this value in kilometer. Fine. So this will give you 1 plus a square root of 26 upon 400 whole square, 4 into 10 to the power 6 hertz. This implies that 4 into 10 to the power 6 hertz square root of 1 plus, and after solving this whole square of this will give you 42.25. So after adding with this 23.25, I take the square root of value, this will give you 6.58, and after multiplying with this 4 you will get 26.3 into 10 to the power 6 hertz, means 26.3 megahertz. Generally maximum usable frequency or critical frequency is expressed in the megahertz, so that is why we have written here 26.3 megahertz. Okay, so this is the very easy process through which you can easily calculate the maximum usable frequency. Okay, and this is very important one, because many times it has been asked in the university exam to calculate the maximum visible frequency. From this expression there are actually 4 parameters. 3 will be known and 1 will be unknown. So you may ask sometimes critical frequency, you may be asked sometimes the distance between transmitter and receiver, you may be asked sometimes the height of the ionospheric layer, and you have been asked sometimes as maximum visible frequency. Okay, so in my next session I will discuss few more numerical based on the application of the maximum visible frequency, critical frequency, the distance between transmitting and receiving, and the ionospheric height. Thank you.